Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the VLOOKUP function and how to use it with match function. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So whenever you use VLOOKUP function, your data should be arranged vertically and it should have the column header, and the lookup value should be in the first column of your data set. Suppose we have the employee records for the financial year 2021 with employee ID, last name, first name, department, phone, location, and salary. I want to use the VLOOKUP function in order to find the last name, the department, and the salary of the employees having the ID of 203, 249, and 298. Let's get started. First of all, write equal from your keyboard, then VLOOKUP. First, I'm going to use the VLOOKUP in simple format, then I'm going to use it with the match function. The lookup value, this is the base value that you are going to find the result. Okay, here the ID is the base value or the lookup value. The table array, this is the full table where your value is located or where your answer is located. Okay, press the Ctrl Shift arrow key right and arrow key down to select the entire table, and press the Ctrl backspace to go back to the cell formula. The column index number, in which particular column your answer is located. I'm going to search for the last name, and last name is located in column number 2. This is column number 1 and this is column number 2. I will write 2 as a column index number. If you want the approximate match, you can write true. If you want the exact match, you have to write 0 or false. Here I want the exact match. Close the bracket and enter. Excellent. The VLOOKUP function has found for me the last name of employee having the ID of 203. Now I'm going to find the department and the salary of respective employee using VLOOKUP, but I don't want to type it manually. Instead of that, I want to use the VLOOKUP function with the match function in order to do all the things at once. Write equal, then VLOOKUP. The lookup value, the ID is the base value or the lookup value. Here I want the column to be fixed because the ID is located only in J column, and the row should be changed whenever I copy the formula. So I will fix the J column, write the dollar, then the table array. Again, the complete table is considered as the table array. Select the entire table and press F4 in order to lock the table. Then column index number. Here I want the number of column. I want whether this last name is located in column number 2, number 3, number 4. So here the match function should be used. Lookup value. Okay, I want the Excel to match the last name with the label of the main table and to return back to me the number of column or the column number where the last name is exist. So the lookup value is the last name. Here I want the column to be changed and the row to be fixed. So I will fix the row. Then the lookup array, I want Excel to match the last name with this array. Lock the cell and return to me the column number where the last name is exist. Press 0 because you want the exact match, and close the bracket of the match function, comma, write 0 because you want the exact VLOOKUP value, and now enter. Now copy the formula to the right hand side. Excellent. And copy to the bottom. See, the Excel has done everything automatically for me because I have used the VLOOKUP function along with the match function. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it is useful for you.